Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you the fastest way to take a screenshot on a Windows 10 PC and share it instantly with anyone. Let's get right in! Let's head over to ScreenRec.com and click download for free. This will take you to the download page. Click the link that corresponds to your operating system, which is Windows of course, and the download will start immediately. If you're using Google Chrome like me, you will see the installation file here at the bottom. Just click on it. If you're using another browser, you will most likely find the file in your downloads folder. The setup itself is very straightforward. Just click next, I agree, next, next, and let the installer do its magic. When you first start ScreenRec, you will see this prompt. Press Alt+S to capture your screen. Remember this shortcut. You can use it to start ScreenRec at any time from any app. So press Alt+S and drag your mouse across the screen to select the area you want to capture. For a full screen capture, simply drag your mouse from end to end. You can expand or contract the selected area however you like. Now let's press the photo camera button and take a screenshot. You have several options, but let's start with the link icon. Clicking it will take you to the sign up screen. You might wonder, why should I bother to sign up? Well, for once, you get 2 GB of free cloud storage for your screenshots and screen recordings. But what's even better is that ScreenRec will automatically upload your screen captures on the fly if you have a free account. This means that you will instantly get a sharing link. As soon as you sign up, you will see this little notification here. ScreenRec automatically uploads your screenshot to the cloud and copies the link to your clipboard. Let me show you what you can do with that sharing link. Click the recording history icon in the menu and you will see the screenshot you've just made. Hover over it and click the link icon to grab your sharing link. You can then go ahead and paste this link in an email. That's it! Let's talk about your other options now. If you click the second icon, you can copy the screenshot image directly to your clipboard. That's different than copying the link. Let me show you. When you press paste, you get the actual image within your email instead of just a link. This works on social media, messaging apps, and all email clients. Going back to the screenshot, you can use the third icon to save it as an image file on your computer, and clicking the last icon on the right will discard all changes and close the window. Finally, if you want to change the file name, you can click in the bottom right corner and type whatever you like. So that's it. Now you have ScreenRec installed and you can take and share screenshots instantly with anyone. If you want to learn how to annotate your screenshot, watch the next video. And for more tech and productivity tips for Windows, subscribe to our channel.